In this video, I'll guide you through how to schedule reports in Salesforce. Whether you're managing a team or just want to keep your data organized, scheduling reports can save you time and ensure you never miss important insights. First things first, you need to open the report that you want to schedule. To do this, head over to the Reports tab within Salesforce. Once you're there, browse through your reports and select the one you need. This step is crucial because you want to ensure that the report you're scheduling is the right one, with all the data you need. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll spot a drop-down arrow there. Click on it, and from the options that appear, choose Subscribe. This is your gateway to setting up a schedule for your report. By subscribing, you're telling Salesforce to regularly send you or others the report without having to manually check it every time. Now, let's set the schedule. You have the flexibility to choose how often you want to receive the report. You can opt for daily, weekly, or monthly. Think about how often the data changes or how frequently you need updates. For example, if you're tracking sales numbers, you might want daily reports, but if it's for a monthly overview, then once a month could suffice. Don't forget to specify the exact days and time you'd like the reports to be sent. It's all about what works best for your workflow. Once you've set the schedule, it's time to add recipients. By default, you'll be included as a recipient, but you can also add other Salesforce users, roles, or even public groups if they need access to this information too. This feature is particularly useful for team leaders or managers who want to ensure their team is on the same page with current data insights. After adding recipients, you need to decide on the format of the report. You have a couple of options here. You can choose to include a live link, which allows recipients to view the report directly in Salesforce. Alternatively, you can check the Attach File box to receive the data in a more traditional format, like an Excel sheet or a CSV file. Consider your recipient's preferences or your own when making this choice. Some might prefer the convenience of a live link, while others might need a downloadable file for further analysis. Now, decide who will run the report. This is known as the running user. The report will only display data that this particular user has the security permissions to view. Choose someone who has the right access to all the necessary data. This step ensures that the report is both relevant and compliant with your organization's data security protocols. Finally, don't forget to save all your settings. Double-check everything to make sure it's set up exactly how you want it. Once saved, Salesforce will automatically handle the rest, delivering reports on the schedule you specified. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully scheduled a report in Salesforce. This simple automation can help streamline your workflow and keep everyone informed with up-to-date information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tricks.